The Therm LC TES0 for ED is coming with TES0 for temperature logger. External probe. To batteries. User manual and manufacturer's certificate. If you want to use an external probe, please set it up in the software first. Open your internet browser and type in thermlc.com. Navigate to the menu bar. Click on Manuals. Software. Select the appropriate software for your model. Click on the download link or the model picture to access the software download page. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to initiate the installation. Follow the steps to complete the installation process. Connect your device to the USB port. Double-click the Therm LC logger icon on your desktop. A summary page opens up. Choose External for use with external probe. Therm LC TES0 for temperature logger can be set to 3 levels of temperature alarm according to your needs. Once the temperature exceeds the temperature line you set, the red light will flash to alarm. Then click Save Parameter. A message pops up wherein the date will be cleared. Click Yes to confirm. Another message pops up to confirm the logger has been set up successfully. Then click Close. A message pop out. Click OK. Disconnect your logger from your computer. Insert the external probe into the device. Press and hold the play button for approximately 3 seconds. The green light flashed 3 times. BEGN indicates the logger is started.